Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Khimesara. I'm Director Horizon Institute of Design, Arena Gitavan, Indore. Today we will talk about the media and entertainment industry. What are the career prospects in this industry? How it is used, where it is used, what are abilities of a person who want to get into this industry, and like current trends in this industry and what are the future prospects like. So let me first start with this industry trend. I'll just talk about the industry in a nutshell. Like this industry is basically called as animation. We will understand what is it. It is used in information, communication, entertainment, and education. The career prospects are there in advertising, entertainment, web, internet, 2D, 3D animation, education, content creation, and a lot of allied sectors. If you look into the career prospects, we can use it in animation studios, production houses, animation feature films, and animated shorts and animated films, television channels, advertising, then education, content creation, 3D walkthroughs, and then web-related content creation, you have gaming, online, multiplayer gaming, mobile gaming, allied sectors like medical, legal, insurance-based animation. Now, let us understand what is this industry all about. Today, media and entertainment industry, as per the FICCI Ernst & Young latest survey, is 1,82,000 crore industry in India. And there are 9 sectors, including animation, visual effects, gaming, digital media, television, film, and all, where it is used. Animation and visual effects in 2019 grew by 20%, and it is currently 9,400 crore industry in India, and almost 65% of the revenues of this industry comes from international clients. If you look into visual effects part, it is a industry which is almost 5,000 crore industry, grew by 25% last year, and major contributor is 75% international projects, and like projects within Bollywood, within a lot of regional films are there, television and other areas. Then if you to just see how this sector looks like, there are 300 studios in India in terms of animation. Visual effects, there are all the leading players of the world have set up their operations in India. So 50 plus leading VFX studios, production houses, we could call it, are there. This is what animation is all about. Animation is basically capturing the sequential static images. It could be drawing photos or animating objects and playing them in such a rapid succession that it looks like a realistic outcome. So that is more of an illusion of motion. It is classical, like hand-drawn, 2D digital, and 3-dimensional realistic times. Then there is stop motion animation. Careers in this sector are mostly there in films, television, digital sector, and animation services, including gaming and a lot of other areas, intellectual property, content creation, a lot of movies like Toy Story and other films which have been released in recent past have been a super blockbuster success. So Lion King, for instance, had more than 2,000 shorts and 1,250 artists were from India. Same if you look into this like all the TV series like Green Board, Rahul Shetty Pictures, Reliance Animation, then you have Gitanjali Raw's Bombay Rules, Karma Chakra. There are a lot of amazing projects which have made India proud. You could see a lot of TV series which comes on OTT, lot of advertisement which you see on television, including on board. Then let us understand what is visual effects. Visual effects is basically live action plus computer generated imagery, which could be 2D, 3D or effects form. And it gives a photorealistic outcome. This is one example where you could see Mowgli with a blue background and there's a toy in his hand, and when you see really on screen, it is transformation through a computer graphic image, and as well as a jungle. You could see Bagheera and Mowgli with the photorealistic visual effects. VFX is used prominently in Bollywood and digital sector, regional films, as well as television. These were Avengers Endgame, 1917, and Captain Marvel were some of the prominent movies in the recent past. And for that matter, Avengers Endgame grossed around 20,000 crore of the revenue. And Indian markets contributed almost 77% of the regional of the international projects. Like these are some of the major studios and major shows which are there on television, on movies. So they have been working on visual effects. These are the Indian films like Tanaji, Mission Local. So the usage in India is growing significantly. You could see almost every movie is utilizing these effects. Even if you look into the regional cinema, predominantly regional market is also using all these technologies and making things more appealing to the customer. One of the major utilization these days is in OTT market. OTT stands for like if you see Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hotstar or any such, we'll talk about that. Now, like series like a Family Man, this Sacred Games, Art of Blood, or Santara, these like even mythological contents, they help in user success. These are some TV ads which are using visual effects. Then you have digital media using animation, visual effects, and all the aspects related to digital and multimedia aspects for the benefit of. And what is driving this is basically the infrastructure growth in digital sector, growth in mobile devices, smart TVs. Then you have increased consumption. You have 100% growth year on year in digital subscription on OTT. OTT is over the top. Like another example is you have Snapchat, Facebook Live, Instagram, TikTok. They have been sweeping the application. Then you have a lot of other aspects which are seen on digital sector, includes like in the last 6 months of lockdown, most of the people have started frequently using Skype and Zoom and other video calling. So instead of like socializing in physical term, digital socializing is the new term which is used these days. So another major sector which is there in this industry is digital and like gaming in different forms. So gaming, there are huge hits on gaming. There are billions of downloads on a lot of games, and online gaming has grown. There are a lot of studios which have come up in India. The growth is almost 45%. You could use gaming for game art, game design, or there are game developers also. So by and large, the growth sector in animation and visual effects for next couple of years is around slated to be around 18%. In terms of gaming, it is expected around 43%, and in terms of digital media, around 23%. So you are here to see a sunrise industry in India, which is continuously growing and which has amazing prospects. So for those who are creative, who have patience, as well as a good power to observe and use imagination for a solution to others, they can jump into this industry and have an amazing career, not only in terms of just doing a job. There are huge opportunities, almost a lake of people are required in this sector. This has done extremely well even in lockdown period. So apart from doing a job, you could also do freelancing. You could become self-employed and utilize this as one of the major direction for your